Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video I will show you how to enable mirror on your Apple Watch in iPhone. Recently lot of iPhone and Apple Watch users to say how to enable mirror on Apple Watch. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now this question is how to enable mirror on your Apple Watch. Now first of all, open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the accessibility. Here locate and tap the Apple Watch mirror button under the physical and motor section. Now the toggle Apple Watch mirroring and also wait for your iPhone to connect with your Apple Watch. This might take us some times, and also it did take up to the 30 seconds for us. Once the mirroring begin, you will see a blue outline appear around your Apple Watch face. And also pop-up message starting Apple Watch mirroring setting started. This simple step too, you can easily enable mirroring Apple Watch on your iPhone. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video. Comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.